When you're cutting a one length, something we have to be very aware of. If I want this hair to fall one length, as you can see from the front, if it's draping her shoulder, her hair is now being lifted out off the head. So if I'm gonna be cutting the back of her hair, I want to understand where the back of the head is and the side of the hair is, or the head is. When you're doing a haircut, we want to understand that anything behind the ear is considered the back of the head. Anything in front of the ear is considered the side of the head. So when I'm doing a one length haircut, I want to be sure that anything behind the ear is combed down for the back and we execute the haircut. Here's where we see a lot of challenges occur. When we go through and they've cut the back, when people cut the back, they will go right over the shoulder and hold the hair above the shoulder. That is no longer traveling one length, case in point. So we want to turn their head so we're not cutting over the top of anything and we're allowing the hair to follow the guide coming from the back that you've worked to establish. And then you can drop in your side section to tie everything together without elevation. This will eliminate errors because if I take this section and I elevate up and I cut it, although I'm tying into my back line, this will fall shorter because it's literally been elevated, so it's traveled less of distance to get there, so it's gonna fall much shorter. So be very aware of that when you're cutting long hair below the shoulder or even hair above the shoulder to establish how to tie in the back section to your front section, or if I cut my front section first, how to cleanly tie in to the back. They all must coincide together.